Volume Type Automatic Multifunction Flow Control Valve TMF63B3 is independently developed patent product of Runxin. We have got the patents from the US, Russia, India, South Korea, Mexico, and Taiwan. The maximum water treatment capacity of this valve is 4 cubic meters per hour. It is adapted downflow for regeneration, can be widely used in ion exchange equipment, boiler softening water system, RO pretreatment system, household softening system, and other areas. It uses microcomputer control. Together with a humanized operation panel, the parameters can be set according to the practical situations. Realize fully automatic regeneration. The body of the valve is molded by the high-intensity and high-quality engineering plastic to make sure of the security and the durability of the material. There is ceramic moving disc, which is the high hardness and flatness in valve body. There is one cycle of relative rotating between moving disc and fixed disc, which is highly laminated. It produces 5 different fluid passing ways, so as to realize these 5 functions, named service, backwash, brine and slow rinse, brine refill, and fast rinse. From the appearance, the product mainly includes drive device, flow meter connector, injector, valve body, power input socket, microcomputer controller. The inlet, outlet, drain outlet, and the brine line connector are in the valve body. Control valve is the core part of the water treatment softening system, separately connected with system from water inlet, water outlet, drain outlet, brine tank, riser pipe, rising tank. Riser pipe should connect top and bottom strainers. Brine tank should install brine valve inside. Installation. First step. Control valve's position and rising refill. First, ensures operation direction. Put the O-ring to the relative position of the valve. Screw the valve to the empty rising tank, and then adjust the rising tank direction so that the control panel will directly face the user. Screw out of the valve. Connect the water strainer and the riser pipe with glue, and put it in the middle of the tank. The distance from the top of the riser pipe to the mouth of the tank is between 2 to 5 mm. Attention! In order to avoid the damaging from the O-ring, the outer circle of the riser pipe should be chamfered. Plug the riser pipe with a stopper. Put the funnel in the connector of rising tank. Attention! Avoid the flow queue get into the tank during refilling. Put the resin into the tank until it reaches 65% to 70% of the tank height. Remove funnel and stopper. Screw the top strainer tightly into valve body, then screw valve body to resin tank tightly. Second step, pipeline installation. In order to facilitate maintenance, we advise you to adopt F70A bypass connected with valve inlet and outlet. Sealing rings will be put in the connectors of inlet and outlet. Install the bypass with clips. Attention! If the pressure of inlet water is more than 0.6 MPa, there must be a pressure reducing valve before the inlet. Put inlet pipe and outlet pipe before bypass, and install sample valve in the outlet pipe. Put drain line flow control into drain outlet. Use UPVC pipe or hose to connect with valve drain outlet. Put brine line flow control in the brine line connector. Slide brine tube hose connector over end of brine tube. Insert tube bushing. into end of brine tube, then tight brine tube hose connector onto brine line connector. The connector of the pipe should be sealed or non-leakage, otherwise may affect the expected results of working flow. Never connect a drain outlet pipe with sewer. Between them, there must be some space, in case the sewage is siphoned off the system. If sewage is to be reused, it could be put in some kind of container. Meanwhile, there must be some space between them.